In the world of AI image generators, it's getting increasingly difficult to tell apart what's real and what's created by AI. This week, an image of Pope Francis in a swaggy puffer jacket went viral, with many taking it to be real. While there are a few telltale signs of AI generation in the image, such as the weirdly drawn right hand, it's very tricky to spot its bogusness unless you squint very hard. You might be curious about how this image came to be and how you can also create something like it. The secret is Midjourney, a text-to-image AI that lets you generate hyperrealistic images from nothing but a text prompt. The tool this month received a new update, Midjourney V5, that boosted realism significantly. Here's everything new with Midjourney V5, as listed on its Discord server: much wider stylistic range, and more responsive to prompting, much higher image quality, 2x resolution increase, improved dynamic range, more detailed images. Details more likely to be correct. Less unwanted text. Improved performance with image prompting, supports tile argument for seamless tiling, experimental, supports aspect ratios greater than 2:1, experimental, supports IW for weighing image prompts versus text prompts. How to sign up for Midjourney V5. Since Midjourney isn't available as a web app and is still only accessible on a Discord server, you'll need to go through a few steps first to use it. Midjourney V5 is also not available to trial members at the moment, so you'll have to subscribe for $8 per month to use it. Below is how you can gain access to the AI image generator. 1. Download Discord and open it. 2. Assuming you already have a Discord account, tap the plus icon on the left, tap Join a Server, paste https://discord. GG Midjourney into the text field, and tap the Join a Server button again. Accept the invite. 3. You'll find yourself a part of the Midjourney Discord server now. 4. Open the Midjourney server, and then open any of the newcomer rooms. 5. Type in the subscribe command and open the link that shows up after you hit send. 6. You will be redirected to a subscription page. Tap subscribe under preferred plan and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. 7. Once that's done, launch Discord again and then any newbie channel. 8. Type in settings and set the Midjourney version to MJ version 5.9. You're now ready to use Midjourney 5. Simply input Imagine prompt, your prompt to generate an array of images according your prompt. What next? Once you've signed up, using Midjourney is as easy as pie. Never shy away from using extremely detailed prompts to get an output that fits exactly what you have in mind, like the example above. While mentioning hyperrealistic in your prompt can force Midjourney into producing realistic images, you can also try different art styles by mentioning digital art or pixel art.